In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Teams meeting via ID and passcode. If you've been given a meeting ID and a passcode instead of a regular meeting link, don't worry. Microsoft Teams makes it very easy to join that meeting directly from inside the app, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for the app. From there, click on Calendar. The Calendar section is where Teams keeps scheduled meetings and also gives you access to different ways of joining one. After you're inside the Calendar page, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. There you should see an option labeled Join with an ID. Go ahead and click it. When you do, a small drop-down or entry panel will appear. This is where you'll type in the meeting information you were given. Carefully enter the meeting ID in the correct field and then enter the meeting passcode in the field below it. It's a good idea to double-check both before moving on, especially if you copied them manually, because even one incorrect character can prevent you from joining the meeting successfully. Once both details are entered, click Join Meeting. Teams will then open the meeting lobby window. This is the screen you see just before entering the actual meeting. Depending on the meeting settings, you may be able to adjust your camera and microphone here before joining. If you want, take a quick moment to make sure your audio and video settings are the way you want them. When you're ready, click Join Now. After that, you'll be taken into the meeting. In some cases, you may enter right away. In others, you might wait briefly in the lobby until the meeting organizer lets you in. That's normal, so don't be concerned if it takes a moment. And that's all there is to it. Open Teams, go to Calendar, click Join with an ID, enter the meeting ID and passcode, select Join Meeting, and then click Join Now from the lobby. Once you've done it one time, it becomes very simple to repeat whenever you need to join a Teams meeting this way.